If you're experiencing controller drift in GTA 5, it can be frustrating. Here is a quick guide to help you unlock and fix this issue. Step 1. Check controller settings. Ensure that your controller settings are correctly configured in the game. Go to the settings menu and look for the controller options to adjust sensitivity and dead zones. Step 2. Clean the controller. Dust and debris can cause drift. Carefully clean around the analog sticks with compressed air or a soft cloth to remove any particles that may be affecting performance. Step 3. Reset the controller. Sometimes, a simple reset can resolve drift issues. Turn off your controller and then turn it back on. For some controllers, you may need to press a specific button combination to reset. Step 4. Update firmware. Make sure your controller's firmware is up to date. Connect it to your console or PC and check for any available updates through the manufacturer's software. Step 5. Adjust in-game dead zones. If drift persists, go back to the settings menu in GTA 5 and manually adjust the dead zone settings for your controller. Increasing the dead zone can help mitigate drift issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve controller drift and enjoy a smoother gaming experience in GTA 5.